Trees help clean the air we breathe, filter the water we drink, and provide habitat to over 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Forests provide jobs to over 1.6 billion people, absorb harmful carbon from the atmosphere, and are source to 25% of the medicines we have. Ever take an aspirin? It comes from the bark of a tree. Here are the 6 pillars that explain why trees are so vital. Trees are like vacuums on our planet. They suck up harmful pollutants and release oxygen for us to breathe. In urban environments, trees absorb harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and ozone, and sweep up dust and particles. Increasing levels of carbon dioxide caused by deforestation and fossil fuel combustion increase the effects of climate change and trap heat into our atmosphere. Healthy, strong trees act as carbon sinks, reducing the effect of climate change. Trees play a key role in capturing rainwater and reducing the effects of natural disasters like floods and landslides. Their root systems act like filters, removing pollutants and reducing the flow of water into the ground. This process prevents harmful waterside erosion and reduces oversaturation and flooding. According to the Food and Agriculture Association of the United Nations, a healthy, mature evergreen tree can absorb and intercept 15,000 liters of water every year. A single tree can be home to hundreds of species of insects, moths, fungi, mammals, and plants. Depending on the kind of food and shelter you need, different kinds of animals require different types of habitat. Without trees, forest animals will have nowhere to call home. Young, open forests. These forests occur as a result of fires or logging. Shrubs, grasses, and young trees attract animals such as the black bear, the goldfinch, and in North America, bluebirds. In middle-aged forests, taller, stronger trees begin to outgrow weaker trees and other vegetation. An open canopy allows for the growth of ground vegetation, preferred by animals such as tree frogs, salamander, and elk. With large trees, a complex canopy, and a highly developed understory of vegetation, old forests provide habitat for many animals, including bats, squirrels, and a variety of birds. From arborists to loggers to researchers, the job opportunities provided by the forest industry are endless. We not only rely on forests for work. Sustainable tree farming provides us with timber for shelter, for housing, wood for burning to cook our food and to heat our homes. Food-producing trees provide us with fruit, berries, and leaves, both for human and animal consumption, and guarantee us health and nutrition. Did you know that patients in hospital rooms overlooking trees possibly recover faster than those without the same view? It's impossible to ignore the feeling of calm and elation in a quiet forest. Trees allow us to reduce stress and anxiety. In addition, shade provided by tree coverage allows us to protect our skin from the ever-increasing harshness of the sun. Trees help cool the planet by sucking in harmful greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and storing it into their branches, leaves, and trunks, and releasing back oxygen for us to breathe. In cities, trees can reduce the overall temperature by 8 degrees Celsius. With over 50% of the world's population living in cities, a number that is to increase to 66% by the year 2050, pollution and overheating are becoming ever-increasing problems. Fortunately, trees can absorb up to 150 kilograms of carbon per year, making cities a healthier and safer place to live.